Shelly Teller. Hey you guys, I gotta hold my camera because it's really gonna fall off. But hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to another video. I'm currently on the way to meet up with my brothers. My family. My youngest brother, is his birthday, or it was his birthday a few days ago, so he's doing paintballing. I'm probably not gonna be doing it because I'm wearing shorts. And I don't know, I've heard it's really painful and I just don't feel like having that experience today. So I'm just gonna go there to support, just see my family, because I haven't seen everyone all together in like a month or so. So that's what I'm doing now, and I think later I want to stop at some stores to get some makeup. I need some more foundation. I'm running out, so I want to hit Target because I need foundation, I need wine. I just want to see what they have there because that is my place to be. Oh, make sure to also subscribe. If you watch my vlogs and watch my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red button down below, hit the thumbs up button as well, and join the family, guys. It's free, you're here, so why not? But yeah, anyways, oh guys, I did my own acrylics yesterday. This is just like the base. I haven't painted them yet, but I think I did a pretty good job of doing them because they actually feel pretty strong. But I think that's another thing I want to look for. I did order some gel polish off of Amazon, but I might stop at a store and see if they have any good gel polish. That's probably the plan. But yeah, anyways, I'll show you guys some footage once I get to the paintballing place. But I gotta drive, so gotta go now.
Right here. All right, so up top here you also got your hopper. Up here is going to be where you put all your paint. Just pop it in right here. Make sure you don't fill it all the way to the top because that can actually cause issues with the gravity feed. Because it's just gravity fed. It has no fancy machines in it. So just make sure that you don't fill it all the way to the top. And make sure that when you close it here, you got that nice little snap. That tells you that it's closed. I've seen a few kids running around where it's like open like that and they're just, paint's just going everywhere. That track can go,
shoot him.
Surrender.
No.
If he says yes to the surrender, he is then out. If he says yes to the surrender, he is then declared out. He goes back to his respawn or his dead zone. So you can also come behind someone to do a knife kill.
His birthday
or a melee
boy.
kill. Just like tap on their
Happy
shoulder or something
birthday.
like that.
He's
That's
probably
considered a melee kill.
It's
actually quite effective. I've done it before.
Have you done paintballing before?
If it's a dead zone,
you have.
You gotta stay there for the rest of the match. And the rest will go over the dead zone to the respawn location.
For the rest of the what?
For the rest of the match.
Okay, so you're out again.
Friend.
Yeah, until the next game starts. But then with the respawn,
It's very dangerous. It is a scary sight. I got eggs on me.
One thing you got to put back to the ground.
Hey you guys, it's a little bit later. I don't know if you can hear me. We're out to eat. And there goes the birthday boy. The brother. We're at Grindhouse. About to eat a burger.
They was busting, bro. They was busting your flex. They had on stuff like that, like strapped up.
Yeah, army and I want to take
We can still take a picture.
I know that it is.
So we just ate. How was the burger?
It was okay. They gave me the wrong cheese though.
Whose burger is better, Steak and Shake or this place? Steak and Shake for 2,000.
You weren't supposed to beat that out loud, man.
Sorry.
But y'all give me a free milkshake though.
How old are you now?
Go to my Instagram and find out. DJ Caution ATL.
This is not for free advertising. This is not a pay for free advertising. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, we just got back from the restaurant. Right now we're about to probably watch something on TV.
No, TV.
We about to go fall asleep.
Nah, after doing something, I ain't finna go to sleep.
Yes, you are.
Nah, I'm up. For like
You don't think you'll go to sleep?
I'm up for like the next 15-20 minutes.
But anyways, we're gonna try. My purse all in the way. We're gonna try to watch a movie. We had fun though at the restaurant. But yeah, I think Steak and Shake Burger is so much better than their burgers, cause I got a turkey burger and it just was like a lot of sauce that was not doing nothing. Like it was like really wet. You know, do you guys know what I mean? I really hate wet burgers, cause like you don't even really get to taste anything. Everything just feels soggy and wet. So not fun at all. It's crazy though. I feel like anyone can own a restaurant, honestly, because there's so many restaurants I've been to where their food's not all that great, like anyone can make, but they still make so much money.
No, that's all for every team.
But you guys, tomorrow I need to go to the grocery store. We also have to get more food for the doggies because they're hungry. They're gonna be hungry and we're running out of dog food, so we need to stop by PetSmart and get them some more goodies. And then I gotta go to Aldi and get some food because we ran through. I bought some snacks maybe 2 weeks ago. We ran through them snacks, so I need to get some more snacks. But anyways, you guys, I'm loving this white color in this room. It was worth the hard work, because I think this looks so much better than the greenish color that was in here.
Greenish.
I call that green. That don't look green to you?
You might be a colorblind or something.
Well, 10. We'll say 10. Because I know everybody does that like one color in their house. Like I feel like everybody's house has that color at one point. That tannish beige look. You guys know what I'm talking about. But it looks green to me. It looks like a sage. It looks like a very, very light green, in my opinion. It does. But ooh, tomorrow my gel polish is supposed to be coming from Amazon, so then I can finally do my nails, so that'll be fun. Zinar. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to talk about. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Babe, say bye to the vlog.
Peace out.
I just did my nails this chocolatey color, and disclaimer, I am not a professional, so this is just how it looks right now. Man, I just ran up the stairs and I'm out of breath, but yeah, I've been doing my own nails and it's been saving me so much money. Hey beauties, it's a day later. I just got back from TJ Maxx and I picked up a lot of things, but if you know, you know, TJ Maxx is one of the places that you go into for 1 or 2 things and leave with 20. But I just wanted to share with you guys some of the stuff that I picked up. I got some stuff for my boyfriend as well for Christmas. I got Christian this cute little sweater with a hood on it. And guys, this is so freaking cute. This was only $8, which is a steal because something like this at Target would easily be like $30. So I had to pick this up. It's a really nice color as well. Can you guys see the color? That is so nice. But I saw that and I literally had to get it. I got some hand wash for the bathroom. I like how the color of this is. I've actually bought this brand before, so I really like this hand wash. Yeah, very simple. I picked up some eyeliner because I really needed some. If you want to know the brand, it is IZME, I think. IZME or IZMC. And I got some Allure eyelashes. These are some really great eyelashes. They are usually typically about $10 if you buy them at like Walgreens or anywhere else, but I got them for $3 at TJ Maxx. A freaking steal. So I had to get that. But I usually buy these anyways. They just sell them at TJ Maxx for a lot cheaper. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait, was this, am I tripping or am I not tripping? Dang it. So I got these headbands, but I think I meant to get the other pair. Let me see how these look though. They had this other pair that had like a cow print on it. And that was the one that I was supposed to pick up. But I needed one for when I do my makeup or when I'm washing my face to keep my hair out of my face. But this is cute though. Let's see. That's cute. I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad. But I grabbed this one and another pair, and I was gonna get the other one, but maybe everything happens for a reason. I got some Repair Retinol. I buy these a lot, but I just needed some more. I got some Neutrogena Soothing Clear Turmeric Mousse Cleanser. I also picked up this candle. It's a huge candle. Guys, it's like almost the size of my head for comparison. It's cinnamon clove, and first of all, the color. I got 2 cooking bowls, a thing of sugar, because I had a glass one and it broke, and this one is more my aesthetic. This is another thing that I got. How cute. And I got this as well because I really needed one. And then it's also aesthetic. And then this as well. Can you guys see it? It's basically like a bath bomb. It's vanilla sugar. And I might use this today. The other 3 things were also for my boyfriend. I'm not gonna say it because I don't want him to know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that little haul. This is the old thing of sugar, the glass thing that I was talking about that I used to put the sugar in, but the top fell off one day when I was getting coffee. So I got this one, which is white and black, and I like it more because this doesn't really match the kitchen. So I already just washed it out. Wait, I swear I just saw something in there. Hold on. What did I see? Okay, maybe I'm tripping. Look how cute the top is. Yay. Oh, so much butter. I love that. So, like, guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference between those two. Do you see what I mean? Like, that doesn't really go with the counter, but this complements it. So maybe I'm glad that this broke. It is now about 4 p.m. and I need to get on the treadie because I haven't been working out the last few days. So time to get back at it. Because my thing is, if I'm gonna eat a lot, I need to be working out a lot. So I'm gonna do some cardio and some abs, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's get to it.
bottom line. Have you guys ever gone to a wedding and felt the couple needs to say I don't instead of I do? Okay. Well, if so, you're not alone, because according to—
Hey you guys, good afternoon. It is a few days later and I'm about to work out and then finally make this cake that I've been trying to make for the last month. But I think I'm gonna do just cardio, some abs, and yeah. So let's hit the gym and then make this cake. Hola. So I worked out for about 30 minutes, took a shower, and now it's time to bake the cake. Oh, also, I got this onesie from Fashion Nova and I freaking love it so much. I like the colors on it and I like the fit. I got a little bit looser of a size because I just kind of didn't want it to be like really tight on me, because I actually want something that not only looks cute but comfy and I can sleep in. So I really like this. The texture feels amazing and the inside of it is really soft. This is one of my favorite pajamas. So anyways, let me make this cake. It says I need 1 cup of water, which I might use almond milk instead of water. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Oh my gosh, do we just have vegetable oil? Well, we hardly don't have it. I wonder if you can replace vegetable oil with
Butter. Butter.
Oh,
What you need?
my other package is coming.
What you need? What other package?
Oh, Tuesday. Cause I just don't want to ruin that type of cake. Like, I don't want it to be like buttery.
I just know butter make it like really soft.
Make them like in half. What is it called when you like do that?
What?
Like when you make them in separate pans.
You want 2 layer?
Okay, 2 layer. Then I'm using also this David Burke pan
With that cake thing.
that I got from TJ Maxx. It's rose gold. And another one of my favorites. Okay, let's go ahead and throw these in the oven for 28 minutes. Set a timer for 28 minutes.
28 minutes, counting down.
All right, guys, so the yellow chocolate cake is finished and just showing you guys how it looks. But yeah, the cake is finished. I'm probably gonna eat that tonight. Me and my boyfriend's probably gonna eat some tonight. But yeah, we're chilling for the rest of the night. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.